Hello sir, my name is Nisitas A. Sapanghari and I am 52 years old, married to Arthur A. Sapanghari, and he is the one encouraging me to finish my studies despite my age. We blessed two children. My eldest is graduated from PNPE Academy and my daughter is in grade 10 at SAIT. I am currently employed at LGU Valencia. I stand here, a proud graduate with a Bachelor of Public Administration of Irene B. Antonio College of Mindanao. I can't help but reflect on the journey that brought me to this moment. It was a path filled with challenges, late nights, and moments of doubt. But through it all, my husband is my constant support, my greatest cheerleader, and the one who believed in me when I struggled to believe in myself. He assists my learnings not just by the grades of accomplishments, but by the effort, determination, and passion I poured into my studies. He understood the significance of this degree for me, not just a milestone in my career, but as a testament to my dedication and love for public service. Thank you, sir.